Mishy from Mishy's World, and today I'm going to show you how to bake a cake. What you'll need is cake batter, half a cup of oil, a full cup of water, 3 eggs, something to bake the cake in, a ball, a whisk, and some icing. So let's get started. I put the batter in, the 3 eggs, the half cup of oil, and the full cup of water. Now I'm going to mix it up. I mixed the batter up. Now I'm going to put the batter in the baking dish with adult supervision. I put the batter in the pan with adult supervision. I'm going to bake it for 350 Fahrenheit for around 30 minutes. The cake is baking in the oven. The cake is ready. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.